The Dugard 220 LSY multi-axis CNC lathe with linear scales, sub-spindle and Y-axis. Control options on this machine are Fanuc OITF and Siemens 828D. It swings 620mm over the bed and 620mm over the saddle. Maximum turning length is 510mm. It has an 8-inch chuck and 65mm bar capacity. It has 200mm x-axis travel, 110mm plus or minus 55 y-axis travel, and 560mm z-axis travel. Rapids on X are 30 meters a minute, 10 meters a minute on Y, and 200 RPM on the C-axis. Maximum spindle speed is 4,500 RPM. Spindle nose is ASA A26. It has 0.001 degree spindle indexing angle in the C-axis, and the spindle motor power is 11 to 15 kilowatt continuous rated. Sub-spindle speed is 6,000 RPM. Sub-spindle travel is 560 millimeters. Minimum indexing angle in the C-axis is 0.001 degree, and motor power is 5.5 to 7.5 kilowatts. The machine is fitted with a 16-station BMT 45 turret. Square turning tool size is 20 by 20 millimeters. It has a 32mm maximum boring bar size, 0.28 second turret indexing time, and 6,000 RPM maximum rotary tool speed. The footprint is 2,946mm in length by 1,954mm in depth, and it's 2,122mm high. Standard options with this machine are main spindle manual tool setting probe, 10-bar high pressure pump, programmable tailstock, and a swarf conveyor and bin. There are also various bar feeds, part catcher, collet and chuck options. For more information on the Dugard 220 LSY CNC Turning Centre, please go to our website, dugard.com.